Thank you for joining us. Today we are going to take a look at some of the considerations you need when choosing the right Walkathon software partner. One of the first things you should consider is ease of use. Is the software web-based, or do you have to download software to your existing infrastructure, which might require collaborating with your IT? If it is web-based, that means that it is hosted somewhere that is not internal. It will be an online system and everything is hosted on a different server, so you don't have to worry about failure or anything like that. You'll also want to pay attention to software features. What is included with the package that you're purchasing? Obviously, you should have a donation processing feature that is safe and secure. But what about participant and team registration? Are participants able to easily register and make payments online? Are they able to create their own personal fundraising pages? Are both administrators as well as participants able to manage email communications? And if you're interested in recruiting sponsors or volunteers, are there pages for that? And what about merchandise sales? Some software providers allow for selling merchandise right online at your site and taking a percentage of those donations going directly to your cause as well. And obviously, administrators may be interested in reporting functions, being able to track the success of your fundraiser, and look at what worked and what didn't for planning in future years. The next thing you want to look at is with your fundraising software that you select, is there a customizable fundraising website? Some software providers, such as DoJiggy, provide easy-to-use templates that allow you to brand your fundraising website to match your organization's look and feel. You can select colors, upload logos and images, also that it really coincides with your mission and your cause. You also want to look at what different information you can share within your website. Here are two different examples, and you can see that this one is much more thorough, where this one is very simple. So you can choose different areas, such as a page about event details, registration. You could have an FAQ and fundraising tip page, a page for sponsors or volunteers, an easy way for donors to make a pledge or search for a certain participant. So there's all these different options of how many pages you'd like to include with your website. You also want to pay attention to the user interface and the ease of use for your participants. If they're able to create a personal fundraising page, they can upload personal photos, make statements, and easily track their progress. Right here you'll see a fundraising thermometer where participants can set a goal and then track how close they are to making that goal throughout the fundraiser. They can also add merchandising sales if that's something that's available with your fundraiser, and include social networking widgets so they can easily link their personal fundraising page to their Facebook page or Twitter account or other site. You want to consider pricing. Does the company provide clear information about what it costs to use their software? Many companies hide this information and require that you call and speak to a sales rep. DoJiggy provides a flat fee for each individual software package, and you'll definitely want to pay attention to payment processing. First of all, are you able to choose your own payment processor that allows you to use the merchant accounts and banking relationships that you trust? And does the vendor take a percentage of your donations? At DoJiggy, we do not take any percentage. We do not think that this is right, as 100% of your donations should go directly to your charity or cause. As you're selecting your Walkathon software provider, pay attention to the resources and support that are included with the company you choose. Do they have live chat and online tutorials and FAQs? Do they have a resource center that includes downloadable templates and advice and things to help your participants succeed with their fundraiser? DoJiggy includes all of these things for free, and that's something you need to be aware of, is hidden costs. Many companies will sell you on their product, but then they will charge you additional fees for their customer support. So be sure you look at that up front. The next thing that should be absolutely mandatory is a free trial. How else are you going to know if the software is right for you if you can't test drive it first? This is your time to seriously review and compare services. And during your trial mode, feel free to call in and talk to staff and see how knowledgeable they are and what kind of service they provide. You want to make sure this is a company you're going to enjoy working with for your fundraising event for not only now, but hopefully in future years. With that in mind, be sure to look for experience. Look for customer examples and testimonials. DoJiggy has been in business for more than a decade. There have been many sites and companies that have come to fruition in just the last couple years. You don't want to be the guinea pig. You don't want to be one of the first. Look for satisfied customers and look for example websites, and be sure that you're partnering with somebody that knows what they're doing. DoJiggy has helped more than 2,500 nonprofit and community organizations achieve their fundraising goals. Please feel free to call us at 888-436-1999 or contact us by email at salesinfo@dojiggy.com or look us up online at www.dojiggy.com. Thank you for your time. Best of luck with your walkathon.